Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download auto reframe settings for YouTube Shorts in Premiere step by step clearly. Start by launching Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Create a new project or open an existing one. Navigate to the editing workspace for easier access to your tools. Select the sequence you want to apply the auto reframe settings to. Go to the effects panel, usually located in the lower left corner. In the search bar within the effects panel, type Auto Reframe. Drag the Auto Reframe effect onto your selected sequence. A dialog box will appear prompting you to select the aspect ratio. Choose Vertical for YouTube Shorts, which is a 9:16 aspect ratio. Click Create. The auto framing process will begin analyzing your footage. Once the process is complete, review the results in the Program Monitor. If adjustments are necessary, you can refine the framing manually. To save your custom auto reframe settings, select your sequence. Right-click on the sequence in the Project panel. Choose Export and then Media from the drop-down menu. In the export settings, choose the desired output format. Make sure to set the resolution to 1080 by 1920 pixels. Click Export to save your video with the new auto reframe settings. Now you have successfully downloaded and applied auto reframe settings for YouTube Shorts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.